All right, welcome back to Phlebotomy Solutions and Victor Valley Phlebotomy Training. So, I've been getting a number of emails and sent to me regarding a certain question about how someone can get access to our student phlebotomy page for training. So, I'm going to answer this here for anybody who wants to get into our student page where you get 6 weeks of phlebotomy instruction, pre-recorded, uploaded with all the lectures and skill videos and state videos that are needed, plus practice exams, getting our digital ebook, both for students and instructors, and practice exams. You can go simply by joining or becoming a membership here at the minimum of, I think it's a $2.99 a month. Minimum membership gives you access into our student page. So if you join in, you can get access to all of our videos, all of our lectures and skill videos. Again, practice exams, student study guide, everything you need to pass your exam or to get more information about phlebotomy and instruction. So if you're in school right now and you feel like you're not getting enough or you want more, for $2.99 a month, the minimum will give you access to our student page. And that's the same ones that our students use who have a over 90% success rate in passing their exam. This all the digital textbook is on there to download. Again, all the study guides are on there. All the videos and skill videos, again, state requirement. All of that is on there for simply $2.99 minimum membership. So if you want to go beyond this channel and get more and get what you would get in our classroom and our instruction, simply join and become a member. And you'll be able to go to the membership section, get the password, and go to our website and log in like a student and get everything you need. So if you really want to make this year with phlebotomy and get as much as you can out of it, especially if you're in a program and you want to see how we do it and get more and more instruction from us, go there and join. Again, it's just $2.99 minimum. And once you get in there, I guarantee you, you're going to get more than you normally would anywhere else. And again, we have everything on there for you. So I want to say thank you to everybody who's subscribing, who's watching. We're almost at 100,000. I appreciate all the subscribers. If you have any questions or comments, leave them here. I'll be glad to answer them for you personally. I try to answer every comment and every email, but leave them here and I will definitely get back to you. So again, thank you for joining our team here for phlebotomy. Thank you for becoming a member if you're already a member, but get access to this because I promise you it's invaluable and you'll use it and you'll have lifetime access of it. So once you get in, you'll be in their lifetime. Any updates we do or any changes, anything we upload on there, you'll have it. So again, get more out of phlebotomy with this membership and logging into our student page. So I say thank you and we'll see you soon.